Okay, I'm recording this session as well. We need to repeat the same thing. I'll come over here, press T, T for opacity. So almost up to here you come, and um, key. So you key over here, it's 100%. I make it 0. Then come over here, just move the slider automatically. Even though it will be 100 only, just click and move, and one key will register over here. Press O, at O, make it 0. Okay. Now one more option, select this, select these keys, copy, select this key, copy. Now select this, press I and paste. Press T, automatically it will be pasted. Uh, So I'm selecting this, press I, T, T for transparency, means opacity, then paste. Control V to paste. Then select this, I, you can select this, T, Control V, paste. So automatically it's happening, okay? Select this, I, T, Control V. You cannot select at a time and you cannot paste here. You have to select individually, because when I select this and press I, so I'm defining the position over here of the indicator. So the indicator will be over here. Okay, then you are pasting the keys, means where you want transparency to happen, where you want the fade in fade out to happen. Okay, so select this, I, T, paste. So again come over here, select this, I, T, paste. So it's done. Okay, I can save this. Control S, save. So new batch in this After Effects folder. So in this is the first work, 01. Okay, so you can organize things. See, now space bar is to play, but that's not a real time, it's a preview only. Okay, but if you press 0, temporary render will happen. So space bar, I press space bar, it's playing now. Now only transparency we have done, kind of fade in fade out we have done. We can do even more. We can do zoom in zoom out, the image zoom in zoom out, like that, and all we can do. Scaling we can do. Okay, scale, scale out, scale in, scale out, like that. Scale in is nothing but the image will get enlarged. Scale out is nothing but, so it will come to the normal size. Got it? There is a very clear transition. There are so many images are there, very clearly transition you can do. So now what you can do, mm, you will be having so many images, your own images. Okay, in your phone you might have taken a lot of images. Okay, so or at family, like friends, family members, images you might have taken. Okay, or some good nature images you have taken. Collect all those images. Okay, add, import all the images in After Effects, one after the other. You provide this kind of very clear transition. Okay, so it looks so good. That's how you can do a corporate level of video. Now what I'll do, I'll come over here, I'll select this S. S for scale. Scale a key here. O. I just scale it a little like this. Okay. Now see how. Now see what happens when I do scale. This effect for scaling. Can you see? There's a zoom in effect was happening. Now press I. S scale. Here I'll make it this big. I key. First I make it big and I key, and press O. I I bring it this to normal like this. Okay, got it. Then I select this S. Okay, the purpose I did reverse actually in scaling for the other layer is, you see the output. First zoom in happens. First zoom in, then zoom out happens. It looks good. Always zoom in doesn't look good. Now zoom in will do for this particular layer. I S. So for zoom in, it's very simple. First key at O, you make it this big. For the next layer, select this I and S. First, next layer has to be this big first, and O. You make this smaller. Okay. Then select this I S key and O. Then I select this I S. First, let me make this bigger. I key, then O, then I make this smaller. Okay, see what's happening here. It's zoom out is there. Now zoom in is required. Now zoom out is required. Zoom out is done. I S. Zoom in is required. And I select this I S. Zoom out is required. Oh, okay. Now scale animation also I have done. Now see, it's alternate. Now zoom in happens, then zoom out. In between, there is a fade in, fade out also, which looks good. Then zoom in happens, then zoom out. Got it? It looks good. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Okay. If only zoom in is there, it doesn't look good. Now after this, zoom out happens. Then zoom in. So multiple animations we are doing. Zoom in, zoom out, transparency, the opacity animations also we are doing. Okay. Any doubts? No doubt? I save this. Okay guys, any doubt is there? Yes, no, no doubt.
No, sir.
Great. Now what I'll do, I'll add one audio. I want to add some audio. Okay. So I want this video to be, kind of refreshing. So whenever you're working on a slideshow, um, you want to recall the memories. If your images are there, old memories, like you can add those images, add some good music. It looks good. So if you are at a party, so you can bring out all your images, your friends' images, and add some party music. Okay. And you play this slideshow. Okay. It looks really good. Okay. To add music, make sure you have some music first thing. If you have any music, you can load. Okay. Mm, if you don't have, you have to download. Do you know how to download? You can download any music. That's okay. You might know how to download. So you can download from YouTube also. So I'm just selecting portfolio music short. Okay.
Hey guys, Bianca here, and today I was challenged to
I don't want this.
True connection changes you.
Are you able to hear audio? Yes. Okay, I want this audio. I want this audio. So I'll copy this link, copy the YouTube link, onlineconverter.party. So there's a website. You can go there. Here you just paste it and go download. Here MP3 is there. You can download. So I want to download MP3. Download MP3. It's downloaded. It's over here. Okay. So what I'll do in classwork, some video is there. So I just drag and import over here. I can drag and drop here. You have to drag and drop here, huh? Not here. So I'm importing one video. Now the video is over here. Drag and drop the video at the bottom. But I don't want the video. First of all, turn it off. The visibility, turn it off. But you keep this volume rocker on. Okay. So that it will be there. The video will be there. So when you play, see, basically audio won't come in After Effects. You have to render, then only you can see. I'll come at the end. Okay. And I click over here. Here you click. Audio is there. Audio level also you can animate. See, audio level. So I click here the stopwatch. Okay. And I already one key is there at the end. I make it minus dB, decibel. dB stands for decibel. That's where you edit the sound. Hope you got this. Any doubt? Okay. Okay, I save this. How do I render this? There are multiple ways to render. Okay. First, let me show you one way. Control M. Control M. M for movie. Control export this as movie. So output mode lossless is there. That's AVI. So I want to go for QuickTime. Select QuickTime. Here under lossless, click over here and make it QuickTime. And here you can save as anything. So whatever name you want to keep. Comp1. I save this. Let me render. Here render. Let's wait for 2-3 minutes. Okay, you can see it's rendering. It's almost done. Since this is of only image composition, render will happen faster. If a lot of multiple compositions, if you are doing a matte painting, if you are doing, it takes a lot of time. So it's almost done. Almost done. So once it is done, this music will come. So where it is, it's over here. Class video comp1. This is the video which we have done. Let me play this. This we have done in half HD. Double click. Let me play from the beginning. There is transition is there. Like zoom in, zoom out animation. There is fade in, fade out animation. We have. Okay. Any doubt is there? So I save this. Any doubt, guys? No doubt. Done. Okay. uh, okay, I'll end this call. I'll stop recording.